In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate the connector on your high pressure fuel pump. This will work for anyone with the Gen 1 B58 that has a TU high pressure fuel pump installed. So the connector's facing the wrong way and you either need to add a wiring extension or cut into your harness and extend the plug so that you can actually get it completely connected. And once you do this, you won't have to do any of that. You can just rotate it and plug it right in just like the OEM pump. Shout out to Janaea for asking everybody if this was possible, and we kept telling him it wasn't and being relentless until he actually found a solution. And also to Ennis for proving this out. So I didn't discover this, just creating this video to demonstrate how it's done. So I'm using my stock high pressure fuel pump just for the demonstration, but you can see it's on there snug and actually facing the wrong way because I've been playing with it. But you'll use a flathead screwdriver and pop this off. It does take a little bit of force sometimes, so you might have to work your way around it. Just take your time. And once it pops off, you'll see there's no wiring or anything inside, just the magnet that the sensor reads off of. So you'll rotate it to face the front of the car, push it on as hard as you can, and then you'll use a hammer, mallet, whatever you're comfortable with, and just work it around the perimeter to get it fully seated. And you'll know it's fully seated because this post kind of has a leading edge and you want that to be pretty much flush with the actual connector, and then it's on there snug. And you can even do this with the pump installed in the car. You don't need to remove any of the high pressure lines or, remove the pump. Just use the screwdriver to go around the sides from the top, and then once it pops off, rotate it, push it back in, and then use a small hammer to get it fully seated. All right, hope that helps.